Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Adobe Premiere tutorial how to crop a video. So we have this example video, and if you want to crop, you can go to Effect Crop, click the Effect tab, and then I will searching for crop, press enter to search. And in here you can see we have the crop option in the transformation video effect. You can click and then drop into your video. I will be show the option. Like here I will active for the left. We crop from the left. You can click at these icons to toggle animation. And I will crop like into this point. Okay. And I will crop again from the bottom. You can click. And then I will crop to here. Now if you play, it will be crop the video. Okay, that's it for basic Adobe Premiere tutorial, how to crop a video. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.